Why is Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting France and Slovakia? Is this just another foreign trip or could it shape India's future in technology, defense, trade and global leadership? In today's video, we will uncover the real significance of PM Modi's European visit and why the world is closely watching India. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about Prime Minister Modi's important visit to France and Slovakia. This visit is not just about diplomatic meeting, it's about strengthening India's position on the global stage. France and India have been strategic partners for decades, while Slovakia is emerging as an important European partner for trade and technology cooperation. Let us understand why this visit matters. Prime Minister Modi's visit to France highlights the strong relationship between the two countries. India and France share cooperation in defense, space technology, artificial intelligence, nuclear energy, and climate action. Today, India is one of the fastest growing economies. Countries across Europe see India as a reliable partner in trade, investment, and global stability. From climate change to supply chain and geopolitical challenges, India is increasingly becoming part of global discussion. यही कारण है कि विश्व के बड़े नेता भारत के साथ अपने संबंधों को और मजबूत करना चाहते हैं. Now let us talk about Slovakia. Although Slovakia is a smaller European nation, it has significant importance in manufacturing, engineering, automotive technology and industrial innovation. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Slovakia is being seen as a step toward expanding India's engagement with Central Europe. भारत और स्लोवाकिया के बीच व्यापार, निवेश और तकनीकी सहयोग को बढ़ावा देने पर विशेष जोर दिया. भारत और फ्रांस के बीच दोस्ती केवल राजनीतिक नहीं है, बल्कि दोनों देश कई महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्रों में मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं. Right, and one major focus of this visit is expected to be defense cooperation. France has already supplied advanced fighter aircraft like the Rafale to India. Discussions on future defense projects and technology sharing are likely to strengthen India's military capability. Another important area is innovation. Right, India is becoming a global technology hub and France wants to collaborate in startup, AI, digital infrastructure and यह साझेदारी भारत के युवाओं और स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम के लिए नए अवसर पैदा कर सकती है. India's visit also reflects India's growth. Mr. Modi's visit to France and Slovakia demonstrates India's confidence, ambition and growing influence in the world. Whether it's defense, technology, trade or diplomacy, these partnerships are helping India move closer to its vision of becoming a developed nation. The message is clear. India is not just participating in global affairs, it is helping shape them. What do you think about PM Modi's France and Slovakia visit? Do you believe these partnerships will strengthen India's global position? Do you believe these partnerships will strengthen India's global position? Comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on global affairs, Indian politics and international relations. See you in the next video.